Today I'm sharing with you how to make Christmas pryanik. It's very similar to gingerbread cookie and it's very popular in Russia and Ukraine, especially during holiday season. Okay, let's make pryaniki. To a pot, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and heat it up on medium heat. The sugar will start to melt and will turn brown in color. Don't mix, you can pick up the pot and swirl it in the air a little bit if you need to. Be careful, the sugar can burn, so you have to really watch it. And when it turns brown, add half of a cup of water. Pour very slowly because you'll get lots of steam. Mix it and don't let it boil for long because the water will evaporate and we don't want that. Immediately add 1 cup of sugar and mix it up. We want the sugar to dissolve completely, so you should only see liquid. Pour it to a large bowl and don't use plastic because this is hot, so glass or metal will be best. Add 1/4 of a cup of butter, that's half of a stick. Mix until the butter melts. Add 1 cup of flour, mix it up. Add 1 egg and mix it up. Then get 2 cups of flour. Add a pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix it up. Add that to the bowl. Mix everything with a spatula first, and then knead the dough just until the flour is mixed in. And then I'll use 1 full of an ice cream scoop. Scoop the dough, and make sure your tray is lined with parchment paper or silicone mat. I'll be using these super cute cookie stamps. They're snowflakes. I will leave a link in the description below to the ones I'm using. If you find your stamp sticking to the dough, you can wet the stamp in some water and it won't stick. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit and bake for about 14 minutes. Now I'll make some icing. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. Add 2 spoons of water. Mix it up. And brush it on top of each cookie. The icing will harden and look how gorgeous they are. They look so festive and it's such a great treat for holiday season. And they taste so good, they remind me of my childhood. You can put them in a box and give them to people for Christmas. Also, I have fudge recipe on my channel and chewy fudge candies as well. And those will be great for home-baked Christmas gifts as well. Thank you so much for watching. I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe.